Hello, little explorers. Have you ever wondered why we have daytime to play and nighttime to sleep? Let's find out. This is our planet Earth. It moves in space and never stops. And guess what? It's always spinning. Earth spins like a top, but very slowly. It takes 24 hours to complete one full turn. When your side of the Earth faces the sun, it's daytime, and when your side turns away from the sun, it becomes nighttime. That's why we see the sun rising in the morning and setting in the evening, but the sun never actually moves. It's Earth spinning that makes it look like that. One full spin of Earth gives us one full day, 12 hours of sunlight and 12 hours of darkness. Fun fact, if you were in space, you could see the Earth spinning, but we don't feel it because we're moving with it. Cool, right? So now you know why we have day and night. When it's night for you, it's daytime for someone on the other side of the world. Thanks for watching, little explorers. Keep asking questions and learning new things. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.